Ever wonder why some websites always appear at the top of search results? Or perhaps why your website isn't reaching the coveted first page of Google? The answer lies in three simple letters: SEO, or search engine optimization. Welcome to ArForbes Tech, the home of Advanced SEO Training. Here, we strip down the complexities of SEO and transform it into digestible, easy-to-understand steps. First off, let's demystify what SEO is. SEO is a series of strategies and techniques designed to increase your website's visibility on search engines. The higher your website's visibility, the more traffic it receives. The first step to mastering SEO is understanding keywords. Keywords are the terms that people type into search engines when they're looking for something. Your goal is to find the right keywords that your target audience is using, and then optimize your website around these keywords. Next, we delve into OnPage SEO. This involves optimizing the content and HTML source code of your web pages. From the title tags to the meta descriptions, each element plays a crucial role in telling search engines what your page is about. The third step is OffPage SEO. This refers to actions taken outside of your own website to impact your rankings within search engine results pages. Link building is a crucial part of OffPage SEO. It's about getting other websites to link back to your site, which signals to search engines that your site is a credible source of information. Finally, we explore technical SEO. This involves ensuring that search engines can crawl and index your website without any problems. It includes aspects like site speed, mobile friendliness, and XML sitemaps. But SEO isn't just about understanding these steps. It's about constantly evolving and adapting your strategies as search engines update their algorithms. That's where ArForbes Tech comes in, offering you the most up-to-date advanced SEO training. To summarize, we've explored the 4 key steps to mastering SEO: understanding keywords, mastering on-page SEO, excelling in off-page SEO, and navigating technical SEO. But remember, SEO is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes time, patience, and constant learning. So are you ready to take your SEO to the next level? Welcome to the world of advanced SEO training at ArForbes Tech. Here, we make SEO easy, understandable, and most importantly, effective.